on, guys? I hope everyone is doing fine. This is the day 4 of the 30-day design challenge. Today supposed to be a competition, but we are in 19 in the group, and it's just a. I've seen only 2 people that submitting their work, so we will not do any competition today. So we continue with the 30 days because we skip one day when we started. Okay, so let's continue. And today we design this flyer. Let me show you. It's very, very simple. This flyer. Okay. It's very, very simple. Okay. Alright. So let me go to my place. So let me show you the size of the flyer. The flyer is 590 by 691. Okay. Then the background color is black. Change the black. Then we'll bring this one. This thing. Let me show you. I have it here, so let me. Okay. There's it. So there's it. Just position it here. I don't want to waste time. That's why I don't start from scratch. So I don't want to waste time. That's why I don't want to start from scratch. So let's position this thing here. All right. Then let's bring this shape. Let me show you. We just introduce a shape like this. Okay. Introduce a shape. Then increase the radius. Okay. Yeah. Really like this. Okay. Something like this is okay. Let's make it 30. Okay. 30 is okay. Then let's position it to the middle. Relative position, middle. Let's go and lock it. Alright, so let's lock it. Alright. So after that, let's bring the image of the. Okay. I have the image here, so let me just bring it out. There's it. So we just position it here. Okay, I will provide the resources. Let's make sure they are okay. Position it well. Alright. So let me bring the original design so that you know where it's done. Okay, this is the original design. Okay, so let me tap on the test. So let's say I'm the one this fashion design, so I'm the one having the studio. So I'm designing for myself. So Kwame, you can use your brand name. So Kwame Graphics. Kwame Graphics Studio. Right, capital letters. Just position it here. Oh, more distant. Oh, sorry. Let me hide this. Let me lock it. Okay. This thing I have it, so let me just bring it out. Okay, this here. Have it here. So there's it. So let me delete this. I have TV, so and I have my logo here. Alright. And after that, let me show you how to. Then I'll bring the convocation to have it here, so I'll not waste my time. Just alright. So I don't want to waste time. Convocation here, Photoshoot here. So you can with the convocation you can use any script font. Okay. Use any script font here. Alright. Can use this. Okay, and the script font. Yes, okay. So let me take that. And this one I use Nexa. Okay. Nexa. Okay, there's it. Nexa boot or Nexa trial black. You can use any of this. Okay. Alright, so take this. So let's do this one. Okay, the shape. Let me show you how we go about it. After that, I'll show you just one, then I'll just pause the video and do it. Don't waste time. So I just introduce a shape, mark it like this, make sure they are in line with this. Okay, make sure they are in line with this one. Then you go to um opacity, reduce it a little bit, then give it black color. Okay, you see you cannot see it, so just tap on OK. Then just go to stroke. Okay, boom, then you are done. You see. Okay, then after that you just copy it. Make sure you have four. Just copy it. Okay, then just write your the right type. Okay, so let me delete it and I have it, so let me just plot it. Let me just I it. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's it. I have it here. Okay, have it here. Okay, so after that I just introduce this. I use Nexa with the text. I use Nexa board. Just write it and use Nexa board. Okay, so that's it. Then with the shape, you see this shape. Let me show it. You see this shape. Let me show you how I got it. You just tap on this shape, then you just position it here. Okay, position it here. Alright, and tap on OK. Then give it a color. Then that's, you can even choose it from there. Then tap on this place, tap on color picker. You can choose it from the design. Okay, this one. Then you are good to go. So I have done it. So let me just on I8 so that we continue. I don't want to waste my time. Okay, so alright. I think there's it. Okay, then you're almost done. This thing, let me bring this. I'm talking about this. So, okay, this thing, let me bring it. I'll just introduce this thing, and I just cut it out like this. Okay, and I just reduce the size, and then push it here. Okay, make sure. Okay, this thing. Alright, so I just do it like this. Copy the same thing, then put it here like this. Okay, alright, so that's it. So I have it, so let me just delete it and then let me unadd it. Okay, it's here. Okay, so okay, now you see this shape. Let me show you how I did it. I just introduced a shape. Okay, brought it here, right? Then go to opacity. Let's use opacity. Where's the opacity? Reduce the opacity. Then stroke 1. Then stroke color should be black. Then increase the radius for about 10. 10. Okay, then I just did it. So I have it. So let me just on it. Then we are good to go. Okay, it is raining here, so pardon me. You can't hear. So just introduce my shape. Then I'm good to go. Right. So there is it. So, let me delete the original one. You see? Then we are done. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please tell me what you learned from this video. Alright, please comment, share. Alright, bye bye.